What's happening, party people? Ready to kick off another day in paradise. Getting ready to go on my walk so I can get that out of the way, because if I get distracted doing other stuff, I won't do that. But I wanted to post this video and give a shout out to my newest Patreon members. Ray, thanks for your support, and Jeff as well. Appreciate you guys going there and support me through Patreon. And then I had a couple donations, one from David and one from Jamie this past week. So, hey, I appreciate your support. Glad you enjoyed the content. And this video's got a lot of, fun I had at the salvage yard yesterday. Found a couple of decent parts. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this posted and get my walk out of the way. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Time to get cracking today. I had to go see if this phone has a warranty on it. I broke the camera lens, which is causing some star patterns on my lens sometimes. And then I'll hook up my gimbal so we can get more stable shooting. I don't know how much more stable. When you're walking, you're walking. But again, the other day I said, somehow I got some kind of grid on my camera. I need to get that off of there. But we're going to start off today by heading over to the junkyard, check out, see what's going on there. And then from the junkyard, I'm going to go check mail, take care of some financial stuff first of the month, then come back, do my walk, and then hit Panther and Queen Bee pretty hard on trying to get some stuff done. Yesterday I kind of felt like crap with this allergy stuff, so I feel a lot better today. Long night's sleep. Service light is still on Panther and Queen Bee. Tried to reset it on Queen Bee the other day, and my little control box was acting up. So I'm gonna spray that thing out with some electrical parts cleaner. See if it could work right. If not, I'll have to swap that one out. I haven't tried to reset it yet on this car. Beautiful day today. I believe I left my tools in Queen Bee. I thought they were in the back of Panther, but I forgot I threw them in Queen Bee when I left Panther at the exhaust shop day before yesterday. So I'm out here with no tools on this reconnaissance mission. I did want to get something small, so I'll have to figure out how to get that. If I see something that I really got to have, I'm going to have to go back and get my tools. No big deal. 10 minutes away, 20 minutes round trip. So let's see what's going on here. Not too windy. This would be a great day to fly my drone if I could see where I put the remote. I didn't see the remote the day before yesterday when I was looking for it. Man, they cleared out 2 rows, the C70 row here and the next row. So we got a row and a half of new cars in 2 days. Let's see. Acura, nice. The CD changer back here. Got some duct tape. Is that 2 CD changers? What the heck is that? A hard disk? Oh, for the nav system. That's the CD changer. Is that a 10 disc changer? Hard to tell. Looks like a 6. I like the little box they got it in. That wouldn't be bad to put in the trunk somewhere. Let's head up. See what else we got here. Volvo with some all-weather floor mats. Volvo floor mats. Yeah, this car was hit in front. Man, those seats were destroyed from Jump Street. Windshield busted. I'm gonna check this rear hatch harness on this wagon me and Buster Brown was messing around with the other day. I think this wiring's a little different. Looks like they tossed another P80 out here. See? Gotta come all the time. It's another tan one. 850. See if I can pull this out and see what kind of wires harness this thing has. Well, this harness looks the same as mine. I don't know if I need any tools to get it out, but I may need a T30 to get that loose to get it out. Oh, and a T25. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and take this harness because it's got the same exact wiring setup as my car. And this is a 97 850 GLT. Both of these 850 wire harnesses are the same. So I must have a V70 wire harness. I think that's what I did. Took one out of the 97. So I'm gonna go get my ohm meter, come back here, test these wires, see which one is in better shape or has no broken wires, and take these things with me. So let me hide this over here. Go get my tools, come back, get what I need. I do need this. Man, this rear panel looks like it's in good shape. Let me take a closer look at this car. Somebody took a rear wing off of this and left this part of the brackets. What nitwits? You need both parts of the bracket. I guess they took that off maybe yesterday. Oh. Probably Buster Brown. That's a Buster Brown move right there. Leaving tools. Man, that had nice tail lights. I wish this was a manual. That'd have been nice to get. No anti-sway bar at all. This car didn't look too bad. But somebody took the dash pad. That must have been in good shape. ECC still here. The seats are not even in bad shape. They're getting there, but they still got some life left on them. Who knows how many miles they had. Could hook up a jump box and see if I could check the mileage on that thing. This wasn't a bad car here. Oh, this is a GLT as well. Or was it a T5? Let me look at the VIN. Can't see the VIN there. Man, looks like it's got a pretty new alternator on it. They let these things sit around, man. And the mice eat up the insulation. That mount there looks even new. The other one had a newer radiator. Oh, this is a GLT. I was wondering why I didn't have a turbo boost gauge. So this was a GLT as well. See if this windshield's got any cracks in it. Doesn't look like a Volvo windshield, but I don't see any crack. Okay, GLT. I guess Buster was trying to see if it had a good fuel pump in it. Somebody took the plugs and wires off or was replacing them. Alright, I'm going to come back and get these parts of the brackets. And oh, rear mud flaps. Dang, I'm glad I seen those. I made a mistake and sold mine to somebody. So I'm going to get those rear mud flaps too. Let me get my tools before somebody beats me to this. Yes, sir. Volvo GLT. It's got that square tip. I might see if I can get that off. People like that. Not sure if that one has a square tip too. Let's see. This one has a tow hitch. And yep, square tip. If those things bolt off, I'll take those too. Man, those tail lights look awesome. It's kind of rare for 850s. And this one's not chipped like the other one is. Cool. Anything else? Crap. Left my mask somewhere already. And the triangle. Safety triangle. Alright, let's go get this stuff I need. There's my mask. Dropped it on the dang ground. Let's go get the tools, baby. Get these parts. I might check those rear bumper. What did somebody take this loose for? Just Buster Brown did that. Check these rear bumper brackets. I got those rear wing brackets off. I got the wire harness out. And there's no broken wires in this harness. I also got the set of rear mud flaps that I'm going to replace the ones I accidentally sold that I'm going to put on Queen Bee. So, I think I got everything I need off of this car. Let me take one more piece of wire harness off of this for the radio. I couldn't find my radio harness to jump my radio. Then I'm going to go down to that one, test that harness, take that stuff off, and go from there. Round 2 on this 850. Man, these are some nice upper lights. If somebody wants some nice upper 850 lights, here's a right one here, a left one there, and another right one there. Let me know. I'm going to try to get these 2 tips off too, because people like those. Wouldn't you know it, this harness seems to be good too. So I got 2 good harnesses. I'm going to take both of them in case somebody needs one. The 850 turbo tip, held on by 110 millimeter. This part is kind of rectangle. Under there is round. Let me get it off and show you. I got the screw down about a 1/4 of an inch or so. Tip slides right off. I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. It's in pretty good shape. Just stopped by Verizon, see if my phone's still under warranty, because I cracked the protective lens over the cameras, the primary cameras. So anyway, they told me to get in touch with the manufacturer, check with them, see if it still had any warranty, go from there. They said they do have a better version of this phone, so I may check on that. Maybe it'll change to that, but it's got to have this tough glass, man. I'm too tough on phones. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.